Cornelio, Beloved Principal, Miss Donna Abad, Deputy Principal, Miss Angie Abagat, teachers, graduates, parents, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It was just yesterday when I was preparing my school bag for the very first day of classes. I felt very nervous that day. It's still quite awkward because you're not sure on how to act or what to say. But now, I'm right here, standing on the stage, celebrating the last few days of my grade 6 days. I remember the time when I was having difficulty in math. But now, I grew fond of it and found it interesting. Thank you, Ms. Karen, for the great help. Science had opened up my mind thanks to the help of our beloved principal and teacher, Ms. Donna. Among all our major subjects, English is my favorite one for it is very easy to understand, especially the way Ms. Lida explains it to us. Hekasi is a real tough subject too, but it helps many youth to deepen our awareness of our country's history. Thanks to Ms. Lida again. Filipino is a difficult subject, but actually, I got high scores in this subject. Thank you, Ms. Melgie, for making it possible. Miss Heidi, thank you for being a good teacher to us. Sir Al, thank you for being a good computer teacher to us too. Sir Edgar, thank you for helping us in our mapping class. It really developed our skills and abilities in music, sports, and arts. And last but not the least, thank you, Ms. Joy, for helping me seek an authentic Christian living and helping me deepen my relationship with God. The heavenly times I experienced here were when I was with the comfort of ideal friendship. They were angels along the way who cared to listen and kept me company. As a graduating student, I had an awesome experience being able to connect with all of you. Needless to say, my days at AOJ were the best of my life. Here, I found an amazing group of friends which I've always yearned for. Thank you for all the wonderful and crazy stuff you brought to my life. Memories with you will never be forgotten. Do wish me luck as I move on to a new adventure, that is high school life. To the graduating batch, try to motivate yourselves in studying hard. It may be pretty hard to ace those exams, but you'll find it rewarding in the end. Thank you, Father God, for helping me surpass this stage of life. Thank you, Mom, for helping me every time. Thank you for my family who supports me. Thank you, teachers, for teaching us. And thank you, classmates, for adding a dose of happiness in my life. It is indeed a time for us to say goodbye, but it doesn't end here. You'll still learn more things, review for mind-boggling exams, and make friends who love us and make us an even better people year after year. Here's to the next 365 days. Congratulations to my fellow graduates. Thank you and God bless.